Hi, I'm Dave Porada from Apex Advisors, talking to you today about what activities count for R&D credit eligibility. This is a follow-up on our last conversation, which was regarding the four-part test. So examples of eligible activities are in new product design or improving processes. I'm going to go over some of the industries. We're going to start with manufacturing. In manufacturing, you're developing prototypes, models, samples, or designing tools, jigs, molds, and dies. Even adding new equipment into a process can be included. For architect and engineering and design efforts or exploring design enhancements, even performing structural calculations or developing architectural solutions. For the electrical and mechanical companies, which would be a little bit further down in the A&E field, you got developing sizing and equipment specs as well as energy modeling, including efforts to achieve performance levels at lower cost, designing ductwork layouts, water supply and distribution layouts, and gas piping systems. Even optimizing routing and coordinating with other trades would be considered eligible. Software, conducting scope analysis for a new functional enhancement. You may be programming software source code or compiling and testing source code, and you can even be evaluating and establishing functional specifications. Those all could qualify. In every one of these industries, R&D credit eligibility is not dependent upon success of a project. And in fact, failure is a great demonstration of the technical uncertainty a company has been trying to overcome. So if you have any more questions about the credit or some other maybe activities you're doing to see if they qualify, give me a call.